My name is Richard Nicholas. I, run a credit repair business, and I'm located in Dallas. And I've been in this space now for credit repair specifically. It's been, I'd say, a little maybe a year under.
Before the credit repair lead system, what was your process for getting leads?
Just hitting up friends and family. And that was exhausting. You run into people who aren't necessarily interested in your product. And you just kind of spraying and praying, as you could say, but you just waste a lot of time. The problem is I waste a lot of time before I maybe find somebody who's interested. Eye on it.
Well, what was the worst part about, basically to get leads, just hitting up friends and family?
Yeah. Find people who are interested in credit repair wasn't consistent. Yeah, or more or less find people who are ready, to really want to fix their credit.
So what led you to look for a better way to generating more leads for your credit repair business?
When you spend hours hitting up people and you're not getting any results, that's what's going to cause you to want to find something different. Or you could just go keep banging your head, but I'm not the type of person. Hitting up my friends for hours in the hopes of finding credit repair leads, and how inconsistent it was and how draining it was day after day is what led me to try and find something where I could find a better way of consistently getting credit repair leads.
How long have you been looking for a solution before you found the credit repair lead system?
Okay, I've been looking for a credit repair solution for leads for about 2.5 months before I decided to make that switch to find something that can give me more consistent credit repair leads.
So why did you decide to try the credit repair lead system?
I decided to try the credit repair lead system because I came across your YouTube video, and you provided a lot of value, and I got the script per se. It was interesting. I was watching your YouTube channel, and I was looking at the script, and one thing led to another. I was like, oh, he helps credit repair business owners get leads. So then I clicked on that, and then kind of one thing led to another.
Right. And then how did our credit repair lead system help you with, getting more clients in your credit repair business?
Yeah. So the credit repair lead system helped me get more clients instantly within 24 to 48 hours. So now I've got a consistent flow of people I'm talking to. Now it's just a matter of, okay, doing the numbers and being strategic. Okay, how many people do I have to talk to? So my results from the credit repair leads, or getting, solid credit repair leads, more consistent.
So would you say the credit repair lead system made you more money or saved you more money, or both? And then just kind of tell me how.
Yeah, I would say the credit repair lead system saved me money and made me money. I mean, saved me money because you can easily spend a lot of money trying to find leads multiple different ways, and you're not sure what's going to work, and that costs money. And then made me money in the sense of, okay, found something that works, and now I'm helping clients fix their credit, and people who want it at that and are ready.
Right. And what are some specific results that you get with the credit repair lead system?
I didn't have any consistent way of getting leads per se when I was doing it on my own. So the difference the credit repair lead system has made is I've got consistently potential clients every day in my phone. At least, I'd say with me running the ad is about maybe 5-6 people a day, so whereas when I was doing them by myself, I'm hitting up like 50 people to maybe get one, to get on the phone with one, so 2, and that, that's just draining. That's just not what I want to do. How long did it take me to get results with the credit repair lead system? 24 hours. 24 hours, I started seeing clients, leads come into my system.
Okay. And did you hit any roadblocks with the credit repair lead system, and how did you get past them if you did?
The first roadblock that I hit, or a roadblock that I hit with the credit repair lead system, was just me getting the clients um, to show up to the meetings. And it was a simple fix, just call them, you know. So it was a very simple, and that's just, because and you can become a little lazy when you see 5, 6, 7 people sign up, book the time slot for your meeting. It's like, hey, cool, whoever shows up shows up. And at that point, it's just about, if you're trying to maximize results, just pick up the phone and call them. Hey, look, just checking in for our call, blah blah blah, at whatever time.
Okay, well, thinking back to the beginning, how has getting leads changed how you feel? I mean, how has the credit repair lead system changed how you feel about the process of generating leads for your business?
How has the credit repair lead system made me feel about the process of getting leads? Spoiled, absolutely spoiled. I'm constantly, it opened a door, to seeing what's possible. I can run an ad, people will book a time slot and they will show up, and I will close them and help them get what they were looking for. It's the smartest way to do it. That's the smartest way, in my opinion.
So, what would you say to another credit repair business that's stuck right now in the process, of trying to get lead and who hasn't even, who hasn't got it started with the credit repair lead system?
What I would tell to any business owner out there who, you're stuck getting leads, you're having a hard time getting leads, you haven't started with the credit repair lead system. I can tell you, I'm not sure if you've tried a lot of other systems. I'm not sure what you've been through, but what I can tell, luckily for me, man, thank you God, Olin was the first person I tried, and I haven't left. So I mean, so you get, I got so much more than just, just in terms of just knowledge and sales. And so, but it works. Like I'm a real person and it works. And I've made money, and I've made good money using this system, and I still do it every day. As a matter of fact, I have an appointment right after this call. And and I had to tell them that. So it works. Yeah.
What is your advice to others who might be considering our credit repair lead system?
Do it.
Question and
You know.
answer.
Okay. To any of my advice to be to somebody who is considering doing the credit repair lead system, to do it. If you don't have any consistent source of leads, what you're looking for right now is someone you can trust. And that's the benefit of these testimonials. I don't work for him. I'm a real client. I've been doing this for months now. It's consistent. I can turn it off. I can turn it on. If I don't want any more clients, it was too much, I turn it off. So, and that's the benefit of seeing this video, is you get somebody who can tell you, hey, like, this really works. So I hope that I can be somebody who's like, hey, I should do this.
Okay, appreciate it. And any final thoughts about you'd like to share about, the system, the
Yeah.
program, the help, or anything?
Yeah. Yeah. I would say it works, but you got to work still. Pick up the phone and call. Obviously it's the lead system. You're gonna get people who just show up to the appointments. Pick up the phone. It takes literally maybe a minute to say, hey, you go for the appointment? Okay, cool. Goodbye.